Don't learn English, just open your mouth and speak. I know that sounds strange. Your teacher said, learn first, then speak. Your grammar book said, study the rules first. Everyone told you, wait until you are ready. But let me ask you one question. How long have you been getting ready? 1 year, 2 years, 5 years? And are you speaking fluently yet? No, because getting ready is not the answer. Speaking is the answer. And today, this video will show you exactly how. Think about this. That job you want, it needs English. The promotion you dream about, it needs English. That person you want to impress, they speak English. But you are still waiting. Waiting to be ready, waiting to learn more grammar, waiting for the perfect moment. Let me tell you the truth. That moment is never coming. Not if you keep learning. Because learning is not the same as speaking. The world is not waiting for you to finish your grammar book. The world is moving fast. Every day you are silent. Someone else is speaking. Someone else is getting your job. Someone else is living your dream. But today everything changes. Today you stop learning English. Today you start speaking English. My name is Zen and I know exactly how you feel. Because I was you. Scared, stuck, silent. But I discovered something powerful. Something that changed my life. And today I will share it with you. On this channel, Zen English Mentor, we don't just study English. We don't memorize grammar rules. We don't read boring textbooks. We open our mouths. We make mistakes. We grow. Because on this channel, English is not a subject. English is a weapon for your success, a weapon for your money, a weapon for your freedom. We combine English fluency with real life lessons. Mindset, success, money, habits. Okay, stop. If you want to learn English quickly without a teacher and without any expensive course, then you can watch this video. How to speak English fluently with just 521 words. This video is very important. But first, watch this video completely because it will unlock your closer mind and change the way you think about learning English. After that, watch the other video. So if you want to build your life and your language, subscribe right now. Hit the bell icon and let's begin. Let me tell you about Jack. Jack was 26 years old. He had a dream, a good job, a good salary, a life he could be proud of. But every job interview he failed. Not because he was stupid, not because he had no skills. He failed because when they asked him one question in English, he froze. The interviewer said, "Tell me about yourself." His hand started shaking. He said 3 words and stopped. He went home that night. He sat alone in the dark. And he thought, maybe I am not good enough. But Jack did not give up. Jack made a decision. He stopped studying English. He started speaking English. Every morning he talked to himself in the mirror. Every afternoon he shadowed YouTube videos. Every night he recorded his own voice. Every night he recorded his own voice. He sounded terrible at first. His grammar was broken, but he kept going. 6 months later, Jack walked into the same company, same interview room, same question. Tell me about yourself. But this time, Jack smiled. He took a breath and he spoke for 3 minutes in perfect confident English. He got the job. $5,000 a month. Yes, $5,000 a month. Jack didn't become fluent because he learned more English. He became fluent because he stopped being afraid to speak it. That is the secret. Okay, step number 1, stop waiting to be ready. Ready is a lie your fear tells you. You will never know every word. You will never have perfect grammar, but you can speak today. Spoken is better than a perfect sentence never said. Repeat after me. I speak today. I improve tomorrow. Good. Step number 2. Fall in love with mistakes. Most people are afraid to make mistakes, but mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are teachers. Every time you say the wrong word, your brain remembers the right one. Think of your English like a garden. A garden needs rain to grow. Your mistakes are the rain. Don't run from them. Run toward them. Step number 3. Speak before you think. This is the big secret. When you try to translate in your head first, your brain goes to sleep. You start thinking in your mother language, and the English disappears. So here is the rule. Open your mouth first, let the words come second. Even if it is wrong, even if it is messy. This is called thinking in English. Step number 4. Use the power of not reacting. Here is a mindset lesson. When someone corrects your English, don't react with shame. Don't go silent. Don't feel small. Instead, smile and say, "Thank you, let me try again." This is the power of not reacting. The person who stays calm in pressure always wins, in life and in language. Strong people are not people who never make mistakes. Strong people are people who keep going after the mistake. Okay, step number 5. Build your speaking habits. Willpower is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it gets weak. If you train it every day, it gets strong. So build a speaking habit. Every single day, speak English for 10 minutes. That's it. Just 10 minutes. Talk to yourself. Talk to your pet. Talk to your mirror. Talk about your day, your food, your feelings. It doesn't matter what you say. It matters that you say something. 10 minutes a day, every day. In 90 days, you will never recognize your own voice. Step number 6, the mirror technique. Every morning before you do anything, stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and speak English for 2 minutes. Say anything. Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I feel strong. I am ready. This does 2 things. First, it wakes up your mouth muscles. Second, it builds your confidence. Because when you can talk to yourself without fear, you can talk to anyone without fear. Okay, next, step number 7. Shadow like a shadow. Shadowing is the most powerful English technique in the world. Here is how it works. Find a YouTube video, 1 and 2 minutes, and repeat every word immediately after them. Don't think, don't pause, don't translate. Just copy the sounds, the rhythm, the music of their voice. Do this for 15 minutes a day. In 30 days, your pronunciation will transform. Your fluency will feel natural because your mouth is now trained. Next, step number 8. Record your voice. This one is uncomfortable, but it works. Record yourself speaking English for 1 minute. Then listen back. I know it feels painful, but this is good. You will hear exactly where you stop, where you hesitate, where you go silent. And when you know the problem, you can fix the problem. Step number 9. Think in English, dream in English. That is the advanced level. But start small. When you drink your morning tea, don't think in your language. This tea is hot. This tea is sweet. I like this tea. When you drive, think the traffic is heavy today. I am a little late. Small thoughts, simple sentences. Step number 10. Find one speaking partner. You cannot grow alone. Find one person, just one, who also wants to speak English. A friend, a colleague. Agree to speak only English together for 15 minutes a week. You will laugh. You will struggle. You will learn. But more importantly, you will practice a real conversation. And real conversation is the only training ground that matters. Let me ask you something. How many tomorrows have you already wasted? 1 year ago, you said tomorrow. 6 months ago, you said tomorrow. Last week, you said tomorrow. Tomorrow is thief. Tomorrow steals your dreams. Tomorrow steals your salary. Tomorrow steals your confidence. Time is gold. Time is life. Nothing more, nothing less. The person who speaks bad English but speaks is every day will always beat the person who speaks perfect English only in their head. So I am asking you, no, I am telling you, stop waiting. Your mouth is not broken. Your brain is not broken. Only your habit is broken. And habits can be changed. Starting today, starting now. You are not behind. You are not too late. You are not too old. But you will be. You started this video because you are tired. Tired of being silent. Tired of watching others speak while you stay quiet. Tired of knowing the answer but not being able to say it. Today you got the answer. And the answer is not more grammar. The answer is not more vocabulary. The answer is your mouth. Open it. Let's quickly recap your 10 steps. Step number 1. Stop waiting to be ready. Start now. Step number 2. Fall in love with your mistakes. Step 3. Speak before you think. Open your mouth first. Step 4. Use the power of not reacting. Stay calm. Step 5. Build a 10 minutes daily speaking habit. Step number 6. Use the mirror technique every morning. Step number 7. Shadow like a shadow. Copy great speakers. Step number 8. Record your voice. Listen, grow. Step number 9. Think in English. Small thoughts every day. And last, step number 10. Find one speaking partner. Speak together. These 10 steps are your fast track. Your fast track to confidence. Your fast track to the life you keep dreaming about. Subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon because every day I give you tools like this. Real tools, real lessons. For real people who want a real life. Don't just exist, start living. And remember, always remember, your fluency begins when your fear ends. Okay, if you want to speak English fluently with just 521 words, you can watch this video. This video is super duper important for you. Click on this video and watch now. I will see you in the next episode. Bye.